All right, here is the Cocoknits Project Portfolio. It comes with elastic, and I'm going to show you how to change out the elastic. So it comes with 3 different colors, and we're going to put the blue in. So I'm going to show you how to put the blue in. You've got elastic for the spine and elastic to hold it closed. So the first thing we want to do is take out this elastic that we have in here right now. All right, now we are ready to put our new elastic in. And the first thing you want to do is go from the inside toward the outside through the top middle hole. And pull it. So you've got a little more than half of the spine covered with that guy. And then you're going to come from the outside in through the hole directly to the left. Pull that. And then you're going to come down and go from the inside out through the bottom left hole. And now from the outside in through the center bottom hole. And you don't have to worry about tension yet. You can fix that at the end. Now you're going to go out through the center top hole, and you've just got to scoot the current elastic over so you can get that out. And then in through the right top hole. It might be easier to poke it in this way. Out through the bottom right hole. And then you're going to come in through the center bottom hole. And you might want to neaten this up. Just trim it a little bit if it's starting to get kind of fuzzy. There you go. Now you're going to tie a knot, and you can kind of feel these guys and see how tight you want them. That feels about good. And you can do any kind of knot. I'm just going to do a square knot here. That should hold just fine. And trim these guys. There you go. We're ready with that. The other one, the cover, you can just pull that out. Put your hand in where your iPad goes. Pull that guy out. If you think you're going to want to use this elastic, you can untie this. I'm going to just cut it to save time. And then with this one, we're going to come through the hole. You got to reach your hand in and pull it in, and same with the bottom hole. Sometimes if you fold this elastic in half, it's easier to get through the hole. And pull them both through and tie a knot. And then you can kind of see, tie it looser or tighter depending on how much stuff you're going to want to put in here. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that feels about right. So that's it. That's how you change out the elastic. And you've got other options, these other colors too. So you can change it whenever you want. That's it.